Welcome, guys. Just wanted to post a vlog about what's happening in the shop. It's been a while. I have right now 6:30 a.m. Just trying to just got forklift delivered. Pretty stoked about that. I'm trying to find a mechanic, so right now we're looking for additional. We have 3 right now. We need 1 more. So I'm interviewing somebody at 7 a.m. So yeah, just got here early, get some stuff done, and then wait for the mechanic to see if we can work something out, if it's the right fit. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But other than that, it's going a little slower than I expected. We've been piled up with work. Our own fleet and customers are coming in, so with 3 mechanics working, it's been super busy, working extra hours. So I'm trying to see if we can find somebody that will help us move a little quicker. As you can see, our lights work perfectly, and we are getting ready to paint the shop. So just waiting for the air compressor for the gun, and we're gonna rent it out and paint it really quick, and hopefully we're gonna move a little faster. What do we have here? A little Kenworth W900. Pretty nice truck. Just pulled in yesterday. I'm not sure what they're working on, but what else? It's got this little cab over we've been working on. The customer had it sitting for a long time, actually, and it's been getting rusted. All the fuel lines and anything underneath, it was sitting on the grass. So just make sure if you ever park a vehicle, don't park it on a tall grass or any grass, because if you leave it for a long time, things will start to get rusty and deteriorate. And yeah, we've been working on this for a few days now, but everything we try to fix, something else pops out. He had it not in use for a long time, and it's been sitting. So there's some extra work with it. And we got this Nissan 30 Optimum, pretty cool forklift. I think it you can lift up to 16 feet. It's like a warehouse length. I think it's 16 feet. I briefly researched it just to kind of understand. I've never owned a forklift, but it looks like this unit is pretty cool, and 3,000 pounds you can put on it. But very excited to have another toy. That's it. I'll show you guys. I'll keep you posted. I'll show you what's going on with how the painting's going. We still have a little project here on the side. We didn't have a forklift, so we needed to get that completed, and then I'll keep you posted on what else is going on and how the mechanic interview is gonna go. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and drive safe.